Welcome back to Brick by Brick. Today we're going to be going over how you can make money investing in smaller Lego sets. So this right here is Lego Harry Potter set. It's set number 75950, Aragog's Lair. It's got 157 pieces and it's got 2 minifigures in it. This set has been an amazing investment for me. I was able to get these for between $9 and $12. And they're currently selling for somewhere between $25 to $30. So I've been able to triple my investment on some of these, and they've been a great addition to my Lego investment collection. One of the perks of investing in smaller Lego sets is you are generally slightly more likely to get a better return on investment, even if that might be a few dollars. But if you still buy, for example, I have, I think, 9 or 10 of these, so I was still able to get some $200 or so in profit after I sell them. And it's been a great addition to my Lego, well, probably more than that, but it's been a great addition to my Lego investment, and I'm excited to see it continue to go up in value. Next up, we have a couple smaller sets here as well. So this right here is the Star Wars Millennium Falcon microfighter. It has just the one minifigure, in this case Han Solo there. And this set has gone up in value by about 50 or 60%, plus I was able to get it on sale, so you can add that to it, of like 70 to 80%. And it's been a great set to invest in. It features, of course, the prominent Millennium Falcon there, which is a great reason why I decided to invest in the set. The minifigure is pretty good, nothing too unique, just the normal Han Solo minifigure. But it's been a great addition to my Lego investing business. I'm excited to see it continue to go up in value. Next up, we have a very small set. This is Lego set 71370, the Fire Mario suit. It's got 11 pieces. And it's basically just an add-on suit for the Mario figure there. And it has gone up in value from a little under $10 to being worth somewhere between $45 to $55. And it's been a great addition to my Lego investing business, proving that even just these really cheap, simple sets can end up being really great additions to anybody's Lego investing business. Because you're able to, I wish I had bought more of these. Unfortunately, I only have one. But if you're able to put some more money into the smaller Lego sets, then they generally go up in value. One of the downsides of investing in smaller Lego sets is it's a lot more work to process the sets and list them, and when they do sell, to package and ship them and all. It takes a little more effort, but they're also easier to ship and stuff too, which is advantageous. But this has been a great addition to my Lego investing collection. Next up, we'll go to a Lego Harry Potter set. So this is Lego set 75945, the Expecto Patronum set. It's got 4 minifigures, in this case the 2 Dementors, Sirius Black, and then Harry Potter. This set has been a great addition to my Lego investing business. It's got great minifigures in it. It depicts a pretty famous scene from the Harry Potter franchise, and it's likely going to just continue to go up in value. Next up, we got 2 Lego Star Wars battle packs right here. I'm a pretty big fan of investing in these Lego Star Wars battle packs. This one has been a really great addition to my Lego investment collection, but this one has been pretty good, but not too outstanding. But these two are set number 75267, and then this one is 75268. This one has 102 pieces, this one's got 105, and they've both been pretty great additions to my Lego investing business. This one has done better. This one is doing similarly well as the Lego Star Wars Millennium Falcon microfighter, so it's gone up in value by about that much. This one has gone up in value by 10 or 20% less than that, but nonetheless, they've still both been great additions to my Lego investing collection. Next up, we got this set right here, another kind of Lego Star Wars battle pack sort of build. It's set number 75262, the Imperial Dropship 20th Anniversary Edition. It has the Han Solo minifigure in there from it, as well as the 3 Stormtrooper figures and the 1 pilot figure there. And each of these factors have added a lot of value to the set. It's one of my top performing investments. It's done really well. Many of the Lego 20th Anniversary Star Wars sets have ended up being some of my best performing investments. So I've sold probably about half of them. I still have a couple left, but they've all been great additions to my Lego investing business. Next up, we got a Lego Star Wars Battle Pack, another one here. So this is the Lego Star Wars Battle Pack's post-price increase. So Lego increased the price of their 4 minifigure battle pack, one that would generally be assumed to be about that big, to about $20, and brought the price of the 3 minifigure battle packs, generally with a small little build of some sort, down to $15, but still you're not getting as many minifigures or pieces for the previous $15 price tag. But I do think that these are still going to be pretty great investments. This one has already gone up in value by about 60%, and it'll likely just continue to do so. The yellow clone trooper there has been a great addition to this set and has certainly helped to increase its value. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions about investing in smaller LEGO sets, and don't forget to subscribe.